Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we'll learn about setting up message size restrictions. So message size restriction is basically the type of restriction which an organization places on sending and receiving messages. So suppose I want my organizational users should not be able to send emails with attachment up to 15 MB or maybe 20 MB or 30 MB. So I can set up a limit so that they won't be able to send items with attachments having more than 15 MB. Else, I can also set up uh, restrictions upon receiving emails. So if the emails has a size of more than 15 MB, then it won't come. So I can set up a restrictions in my organization. And in today's video, we'll learn how to set up these restrictions in a mailbox. So in order to do that, we need to navigate to Exchange Admin Center. So right now I'm in Exchange Admin Center. We'll go to mailboxes. And in this mailboxes, if I want to set up restrictions upon every mailbox in the environment, I will come up to mail flow settings and I will click on message size restrictions. So by default, it is 35 MB, the limit of sending and receiving emails, but you can set it up to 150 MB. And in here, you need to put up the values in KBs because it accepts the values in KBs only. So you can see send maximum you can send you can set maximum sending limit to 35 MB, and again here is approx 36 MB. So I can send messages up to 35 MB and I can receive messages up to 36 MB. And here you can see that the sending and receiving maximum limit is 150 MB. Okay, so this is for the whole organization, and there are possibilities that different user might be having different capacity to send and receive messages. Okay, so maybe one user will have a sending capacity of 80 MB or 90 MB or 100 MB, and there is a one VIP user who has a capacity of more than one of up to 150 MB. So this can be set up from this place. So suppose I want to set up restrictions for this account. Let's say Elena Shepherd. I will select this account. I will click on this mail flow settings. I will click on this message size restriction. So I can set it up some different limit like 50,000. So 51200 is approx 50 MB. 51200. Okay, it's a 50 MB limit. 51200. Once I put up the limit, I will save. So now this user will now be able to receive and send email messages of 50 MB. Okay, and the same setting you can apply this on multiple users by selecting this particular option. Okay, so doing this, it will select all the users in the environment, or whatever the user displaying in the view. So it will be selected, and you just click on mail flow settings, message size restrictions. Okay, so since many user would have different limits, that is why this particular option is blank. Okay, but you can set it up 51200 and 51200. Once you are done with the figure, just click on save. So it will be saved. Now every user send and receive email message limit is 50 MB. Okay, so let's look at the second way. So this is one of the way, and also you can just open the account. Okay, go to mailbox, and here we have this option message size restrictions management. Okay, you can set the size restrictions from here as well. So these are the way you can set up message size restrictions. Okay, let's summarize this, that You can manage the restrictions for all the user by selecting it from this option. Okay, click on mail flow settings and then message size restrictions. Otherwise, you can also unselect and you just click on mail flow settings, message size restrictions, place the desired amount you have, okay, desired number, and then save the settings. Okay, so I hope you like the video, and in case you have any doubts, so leave your doubts in the comment, and see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.